Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Yes, and today I'm going to unbox this sleeve of my MacBook Air. So let's unbox it. I can't also wait to unbox it. You can know my excitement. So let's begin. Here is the box and let's begin to cut it with my new knife. Means it's old for you, it's new. See the black shade of the cello tip. My hand was secure, otherwise it was in cut. Okay, sorry. Properly unwrapping. So here it is, and here is the bill. Let's put it away. Here is the sleeve. The price is not this one. You just check the link which is in the description box below. You will get the price. Where it is, here. To open. So here it is. Now let us check by putting my MacBook inside it. So here is my MacBook. I think that it will fit as knowing by the size. Okay, inside also you will get this to carry. It smells like my gold car, which I have. So it fits nicely, but there is an issue of this because it's inside. Why they didn't keep it outside? What is the use of it inside? I also don't know. So here it is with the box, and here my charger. And my long wire of 2 meters. And you can put over here another accessories which you want to put inside it. So here it goes. So whole MacBook with every accessories, it fits inside it. It's a nice thing, except of buying just a sleeve which does not contain these two sections. So here how it looks like. Let's unbox it. So it's Indian. Something was there. What is the use of this when it's inside? Then to put it outside. Okay. it's work time. Just joking. Like this you can do. It's vibrating. Okay, now it is. So this was all about this video. It's very much easy to carry, very much light in weight and very much flexible. It's good, but it will not protect my MacBook if I drop this down. So thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any suggestions, then comment below. Subscribe to my channel for getting more updates of this MacBook, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, otherwise you didn't get the notifications. So that's it for today. We'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye.